Welcome to www.happynumbers.org. Today's lesson is the order of operations. The order of operations, or the order of how we work problems in algebra. As an example, let's take this problem. This says 2 plus 5 times 7 equals. Well, I could do the problem this way. 2 plus 5 is 7. And 7 times 7 equals 49. So that's one way. I could do this part first, and then 2 plus 5 is 7, then 7 times 7 is 49. Or, what happens if I do the problem this way? If I do 5 times 7 is 35, and I have 2 plus 35 equals 37. So how do I know what to do? Well, we have an order of operations to take care of that confusion, and here are the rules. You always do what is ever in parentheses. These are parentheses. You always do parentheses first. Then if there are any exponents, you know what an exponent is. That's the exponent. You do exponents second. Then you multiply and divide, and you work from left to right, and then you add and you subtract. Now, not every problem will have parentheses or exponents, or necessarily multiplication or division or adding and subtracting, but this is the order that we follow. Let me give you an example here. We'll put a problem up. Okay, we'll have 5 minus 2 plus 6 to the second power, or 6 squared, times 4. Well, now in this problem we do have parentheses, we have exponents, and we have multiplication and addition. So we do parentheses first. So we have to deal with this. 5 minus 2 is 3 plus 6 squared times 4. Okay. Now, the second thing is exponents. So we would do 3 plus 6 times 6 times 4. Well, 6 times 6, 3 plus 6 times 6 is 36 times 4. Now, we've done our exponent. Now we do multiplication or division. There is no division, but we do have multiplication, so we do this. So we have 36 times 4. 4 times 6 is 24. Carry the 2. 4 times 3 is 12, and 2 is 14. So we have 3 plus, and this is 144, which equals 147. So, we dealt with the parentheses first, then we did the exponent, the 6 times 6, then we did the multiplication, and lastly we did the addition. Let me put up another problem for you. Let's take this one. Let's take 4 cubed, or 4 to the third power, plus 9 minus 3. Well, we do not have any parentheses here. We don't have any parentheses, so we don't have to work with that. But we do have exponents, so we'll have to do this first. So this will be 4 times 4 times 4 plus 9 minus 3. We have to do this part first. So 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64 plus 9 minus 3. Okay, now we don't have multiplication and division. But we do have addition and subtraction, and we work from left to right, so we will do the addition first. 64 plus 9 is 73 minus 3, and then we do the subtraction. 73 minus 3 is 70. Good. Well, I'm going to put a couple of problems up for you, and we'll let you work them. Okay, we'll have 20 minus 4 plus 7. We'll let you do that one, and here we'll have 24 divided by 6 plus 7. We'll put the DVD on pause. We'll put the video on pause, work those problems, and we'll come back and work them together. Well, let's work it out here. Well, we have a parenthesis, so we have to do that first. So it'll be 20 minus, now 4 plus 7 is 11. And we don't have anything else, we just have subtraction, so we do the subtraction. 20 minus 11 is equal to 9. So that should be our answer. In this problem, we have division. We don't have parentheses, we don't have exponents, we have division. So we have to do that first. So 24 divided by 6 plus 7. Well, 24 divided by 6 is 4 plus 7. Now we do the addition, equals 11. And that's our answer. Well, let me put a couple of other problems for you. Remember parentheses first, exponents, multiply and divide, and then addition and subtraction. Let's try this one. 15 minus 4 plus 3 to the second power. We'll have you work that one, and we'll have you work this one. 3 times 4 to the third power plus, plus 1 divided by 7. Okay, go ahead and put the DVD on pause and work those problems, and then let's see what we get. Okay, well, let's take this first one. We have parentheses, so we have to do that first. So 15 minus 4, let me put a line here. 15 minus 4 gives me an 11. And 11 plus 3 to the second power, we have to do this, the exponent, next. So 3 to the second power is 3 times 3, so that's 9. And then we do the addition. 11 plus 9 is 20. Okay, let me just get this out of the way so we'll have some room to work. Let's try this one. I'm going to work it up here. Well, we have to do the exponent first. So 3 times 4 times 4 times 4 plus 1. Okay, well, 4 times 4 is 16, and 16 times 4 is 64. So we have 3 times 64 plus 1 divided by 7. We're going to erase this so we can work down. Well, let's do 3 times 64. 64 times 3. 3 times 4 is 12. Carry the 1. 3 times 6 is 18. And 1 is 19. So we have 192 plus 1 divided by 7, which equals 193 divided by 7. And then, of course, I can do the long division. We can put 7 divided into 193. Put some there. 7 goes into 19 2 times. That's 14. 53. 7 goes into 53 7 times, which would be 49. And that would be 4. Bring that down. 7 goes into 45 times, and then let's just stop there. Okay, so we had to do then, this was an exponent, so it was 4 to the third power. We had to do that first, then our multiplication, then our addition. Well, good. So it's important that we be able to remember this. So here's a little Oops, there, my time is up. But let me just finish this off. Well, take a look at this sentence. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. When I was young, that's how I remembered that sentence so I would know the order of operations. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Well, thank you very much. That's the order of operations, a very, very important concept in all of algebra.